Imagine a fiery forge glowing orange and yellow. Sparks fly through the air like tiny shooting stars. The air is thick with the smell of coal smoke and hot metal. This is where steel is born, in the heart of the forge, where fire and human ingenuity combine to create one of the world's most important materials. Steel built our world, from bridges to buildings, cars to kitchen sinks. But how did we learn to make this incredible material? Let's travel back in time to find out. The journey begins thousands of years ago in ancient Mesopotamia, a cradle of civilization where some of humanity's most significant advancements took root. Here, around 4,000 years ago, people discovered a remarkable new material that would change the world forever. They didn't call it steel yet, but it was a start. This early form of steel was the result of countless hours of experimentation and labor. By heating iron ore with charcoal, they created a stronger, more durable metal. It wasn't easy. The process required precise control of temperature and materials. They used clay furnaces and bellows to force air into the fire, reaching super high temperatures. These innovations were crucial in achieving the right conditions for metalworking. With this new metal, they crafted tools and weapons that were far superior to anything before. These tools allowed for more efficient farming, construction, and warfare. The secret of this early steelmaking spread throughout the ancient world, forever changing the course of history. As knowledge traveled along trade routes, different cultures adopted and adapted these techniques, leading to further innovations. Fast forward to medieval Europe, a time of castles, knights, and yes, even more steel. The medieval period was a golden age for blacksmiths, who were the backbone of the era's military might. The art of steelmaking had come a long way. Blacksmiths, the original metal magicians, used techniques like quenching and tempering to create swords of legendary sharpness. These techniques were passed down through generations, each blacksmith adding their own innovations and secrets, an armor strong enough to protect warriors in battle. The armor was not just functional but also a work of art, often adorned with intricate designs and symbols that represented the knight's lineage and achievements. These skilled artisans were highly respected in their communities. They were not just craftsmen but also innovators, constantly improving their techniques to meet the demands of their patrons. They were the keepers of fire and metal, transforming raw materials into objects of beauty, strength, and legend. Their forges were the heart of the community, a place where raw iron was transformed into tools, weapons, and armor. The clang of their hammers echoed through the ages, shaping the destiny of kingdoms. Each strike of the hammer was a step towards creating something that would stand the test of time, a testament to their skill and dedication. Section 4. The Iron Revolution. The Industrial Revolution exploded onto the scene in the 18th century, and with it came a giant leap forward in steelmaking. In 1856, Henry Bessemer invented the Bessemer process. This ingenious method revolutionized steel production, making it faster and cheaper than ever before. Suddenly, steel wasn't just for swords and armor anymore. It became the backbone of bridges, railroads, and skyscrapers. The world marveled at the strength and versatility of this now mass-produced material. Section 5. From ore to skyscraper. Today, giant factories create steel using a fascinating multi-step process. This process is a marvel of modern engineering and technology, involving a series of complex steps that transform raw materials into the versatile metal we rely on for countless applications. First, iron ore, the main ingredient in steel, is mined from the earth. These mines are often vast, with massive trucks hauling tons of ore to be processed. The extraction of iron ore is the first crucial step in the journey from raw material to finished product. Next comes smelting, where the ore is heated in a blast furnace to extract the iron. This stage involves intense heat and skilled workers who ensure the process runs smoothly. The blast furnace is a towering structure glowing with the heat of the molten metal inside. Then, in the refining process, impurities are removed, and other elements like carbon are added to create different types of steel. This step is critical as it determines the quality and properties of the final product. The refining process is a delicate balance of chemistry and precision. Imagine giant ladles pouring molten steel, a glowing, mesmerizing river of liquid metal. This sight is both awe-inspiring and a testament to human ingenuity. The molten steel, at this stage, is ready to be shaped into various forms. This molten steel is then poured into molds to create various shapes, from beams to sheets. These molds are designed to produce the specific forms needed for different applications, whether it's for construction, manufacturing, or other industries. These shapes are rolled, cut, and finished into the steel products we use every day. The finishing touches ensure that the steel meets the required standards and specifications. From skyscrapers to everyday tools, steel is an integral part of our modern world, and its journey from ore to finished product is a remarkable one. Section 6. Steel, the backbone of our modern world. From those early discoveries in ancient Mesopotamia to the modern marvels of engineering we see today, steel has come a long way. It's the silent hero in our daily lives, holding up our buildings, bridges, and vehicles. Next time you see a gleaming skyscraper or a sturdy bridge, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey of steel. Remember the fiery forge, the ingenuity of generations past, and the modern marvels that shape our world, all thanks to the magic of steel. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what process you want us to reveal next. Until then, stay curious and stay strong, just like steel.